wash your hands, okay? Otherwise, just let it dry on its own.
Receiving pro bono animal care, pet food, supplies, and education. Invaluable services for many here.
They're my everything. I don't have kids, so this is my kid, my love.
For a lot of owners, this is their person. This is their best buddy, their best friend. So they will prioritize getting food and getting shelter for their animals.
Abby Berg says every day she has to choose between putting food on her table or feeding her pets.
I'll feed my animals before I eat. If I have nothing in the fridge, you know, for myself, as long as my animals are good, you know, I'm good.
It's a sacrifice many living on the Downtown Eastside say they're often forced to make.
A lot of people around here have pets and don't have access to veterinary services, which can be incredibly expensive.
We step in and help with things like vaccines, which they can't access on their own, treatments for ear medications, referrals for spay-neuter services.
The increasing costs of vet services and added stress for pet owners living on low income, like 73-year-old Mike Kennedy. He says 4-year-old Rocky has helped improve his physical and mental health.
He was a lifesaver, you know. I mean, there's somebody to talk to. You're in the house by yourself. You can't go out. And I went out every day, and took him down the seawall for a walk.
Kennedy says typically his senior's home does not allow pets. Another challenge organizers say many in marginalized communities are facing.
Not a lot of places are pet friendly, and the places that are either restrictive, sometimes with size or numbers.
Just because they have a dog or cat shouldn't be a barrier to, having a roof over their head or, accessing preventative care for themselves.
Kennedy says events like this free health clinic eases some of that burden.
Nowadays, with the rent going up and everything that's going on, it's just this, you got to kind of stretch your dollar to, to get by. But this place is really saved me hundreds of dollars, really.
The clinic also offering people a chance to get vital medical care, including flu and COVID vaccines and mental health support. Janella Hamilton, CBC News, Vancouver.